Hello, my dear friends! This video is for those who are just starting to explore 3D design. Imagine trying to create 3D text without any skills. It's like embarking on a road trip without a navigation system. Many of us, diving into this endeavor, often give up when faced with numerous programs, the mysteries of coordinates, and the complexities of animation. Knowing this, I'm quite disappointed. Sure, you can use Photoshop, but understanding this behemoth of graphic design will take a lot of time and effort. But don't give up and keep improving your skills. After all, you know that the ability to create 3D design is highly sought after in graphic design. I have good news for you. There's a solution for beginners. I found a simple program that allows you to create cool 3D text in just a few minutes. With its help, you can easily create stylish 3D text on a professional level. Check out the difference between a subscribe text in regular font and a subscribe text in 3D. Well, watch this video to the end, and you'll learn how to create 3D text easily and effortlessly. Go ahead, newcomers, into the world of three-dimensional creativity. And now I'll say goodbye and see you in the next encounter. We navigate to the Text Studio Service page. Text Studio is an online text effect generator with custom fonts to create 3D text and custom logos from the browser. You see the main page of the service, where 13 styles for creating 3D inscriptions are presented. Gold, neon, metal, fire, and others. For example, I choose the metal style. From the extensive list of options, I select the shiny metal style. A page for editing our text opens before us. Instead of the shiny metal inscription, we enter our text. For example, I type subscribe. At the top of the editor, we see that the inscription automatically changes, and visually, we see the final result. But that's not all. We can edit our inscription. For example, change the font type. The system provides a choice of over 1,000 fonts. I, for example, choose Mask Regular. Now we can do zoom. We can change character spacing. The line height graph can be used when we have multiple lines. Since we only have one subscribe inscription, we skipped a line height graph. Using the rotation slider, you can change the position of the inscription. Next, we move on to the style section. Here, first of all, we can add a shadow to create a 3D image effect. We can change the shadow's size. We can change its position. Next, we go to the icon section. Here, in front of the inscription, we can insert any icon. In the next section, we can change the background on which our inscription will be located. In the animation section, we can create an animation effect for the image. As you can see, by clicking on the selected option, we will see how our inscription will look. After we finish the editing process, we save our creation. For my future work, I need an image with a transparent background. Therefore, I choose Ping Transparent. Now we can use the created 3D image when creating a video. If you want to know how to create such a video, write to me in the comments. That concludes our lesson. Like and subscribe to my channel Source of Knowledge.